How to delete an account on DiDi. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can delete an account on DiDi, and I'll be guiding you through the processes, so ensure you watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your DiDi account, just like I have done here. And then once that is done, you will be brought to the page where you'll see your map, you'll see your current location and places that are close to you. And then once you can see that, move to the top left corner where you can see three horizontal lines, and then you click on it. Then once you've done that, the page displayed, so you can see options like my trips, payment, help, messages, safety center, settings. So select settings. After selecting settings and you are brought to the settings page, you can see other tabs which include my profile, favorite places, privacy, legal, about DD. So click on privacy. After clicking on privacy, you can see the privacy page, and you can see options like download data, discount and update, SMS, email, push notifications. Then you can see delete account. You just click on that, and then you'll be taken to another page. Now, a black screen is being displayed because DiDi does not support sharing sensitive information such as this. But on the page, you'll see a write-up. Ensure you read through it. And then if you still want to delete your account, click on continue. And then you'll be taken to another page where you can click on confirm. And then your account would be successfully deleted and removed from DiDi. So this is how it works. This is how you can delete your DiDi account. Thank you and have a good day.